Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over the screener in optionswatch.io, and we're going to go over how to make a watch list and how to use the various columns presented to you. Now it's super simple and it's super convenient. As you can see right here, we are currently located in the screener portion inside of optionswatch.io. At the very center of your screen, we have option screener. We have the status of the market, telling us if the market is currently closed or if the market is currently open. And then we also have earnings. We can include tickers with earnings in 30 days if we wanted to include them or if we wanted to exclude them. What we can go ahead and do is in the upper left hand corner, it gives us our watch lists. Okay, this is how you access our watch list. Now by default, if you click on this little tab here, you'll have 3 watch lists. You'll have the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, or all stocks and ETFs. Now, let's say you wanted to create a custom watch list. We can go ahead and click on this little bookmark button in the very upper left hand of our screen here. Once we click on this, it'll give us instructions on creating a watch list. We can create, rename, reorder, and delete a watch list. Now let's go ahead and hit this plus sign to create our first watch list, and let's go ahead and create a few. Okay, let's create a tech watch list. We can go ahead and hit save. Let's create another watch list. This one will be called financials. And let's create one more and let's call it ETFs. And hit save right there. Now you can move these around by clicking on any of these little, let me go back there for just 1 second. You can click on any of these right here and you can move the watch list around if you wanted to create a various order that's specified for you. You can edit it, these little pencils, or you can delete a watch list if you need to by clicking on this little trash can. Let's go ahead and exit out and let's go ahead and begin adding stocks to our watch list. Now, the way to do that is you can click on this upper left-hand corner. You can click on the watch list one more time, and you can click on any of these 3 defaults. We can go click on all stocks and ETFs so that all of these are presented to us. We can go ahead and type in a few tickers that we want to add to our watch list. Let's type in Microsoft. Let's go ahead and type in Apple. And let's type in AVGO. Now these ones I want to go ahead and add to the tech watch list. And how I'm going to do that is on the very left hand side of your screen here, there's going to be a little bookmark button. And you can click on that and it'll give you an option to add this to a watch list. And you go ahead and click the box that you want to select. So I'm going to add this to tech. Perfect. Click out of it. Go ahead to bookmark on Apple. I'm going to add it to tech. And now I'm going to add this Microsoft to tech as well. All right, perfect. Awesome. We'll review that in just a moment. If I go back and remove all these filters by hitting reset all, we have all our stocks and ETFs here again. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and type in the financial stocks that I want to add. Let's go ahead and add Berkshire Hathaway, BRK.B, and let's also add JP Morgan, JPM. All right, let's see if it pops up here. There we go, JP Morgan Chase Company. All right, perfect. Same concept. Hit the little bookmark, and let's go ahead and add these ones to financials. Perfect, perfect. Now I know I created an ETF watch list, so let's do that real quick as well. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and type in SPY, and let's type in IWM, the Russell 2000. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add these to the ETFs. Beautiful. Awesome. We're doing it. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is reset these filters, click out of that. And now if we click back up here, we can access all of our watch lists that we created. So we can access tech. As you can see, we currently have AVGO, Apple, and Microsoft. Beautiful. We have our ETFs, IWM and SPY, and now we have our financials. Awesome. And that is how you create a watch list, and that is how you can customize it on optionswatch.io.